Now, let's shift gears to who is held responsible. If an employee prevails in a claim for quid pro quo harassment, the employer is always liable. The employer has what is called strict liability. Thus, if a supervisor engages in harassment, the employer may be held automatically liable. In a claim for hostile work environment, liability may be more complex. The employer is liable if it knows or should have known of the harassing conduct and did not reasonably try to stop it. So generally, if a coworker or a third party engages in harassment, the employer may be liable if it knew or should have known and didn't take reasonable steps to stop it. Once liability is established, we look to what remedies are available to the victim of sexual harassment. When an employee suffers from sexual harassment, he or she may recover lost wages, benefits, damages, and other make-whole relief, including attorney fees. The cost of harassment and discrimination is significant. Data compiled by the Office of Compliance shows that harassment and discrimination claims under the CAA cost the government on average $53,000 per claim. This figure does not take into account the hidden costs of harassment and discrimination, particularly those involving individuals who do not pursue claims with our office. These hidden costs are frequently referred to as an harassment tax on organizations, which include lower productivity by affected employees, increased absenteeism, and significantly higher turnover rates by employees who are subjected to harassment but choose to leave the workplace rather than pursue a claim. We hope that you have gained insight to prevent sexual harassment in the workplace, and that you know how to reach our office to get help. With greater training, we anticipate that we can decrease the rate of employees subjected to sexual harassment in the legislative branch. Together, we are responsible for safeguarding the workplace from sexual harassment. If you have questions or comments, in particular with regard to prevention of sexual harassment or protection of your workplace rights, please contact the Office of Compliance. All inquiries are confidential.